Hello everyone, welcome to the third section. In this section, we'll learn how to align text quickly. Using the spacebar to align the text, not only the operation is tedious, but also the alignment is often uneven. What is a convenient way to align text in a document? In fact, the real alignment tool in a document is not a space, but a ruler. First, open the ruler in the view, and the tab can be seen in the upper left corner. Click to select the tab. Optional left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab, first line indent, and heading indent. Select all the documents. Click Tab. The alignment is the same as the tab stop type you selected. After adding a tab stop, use Tab to jump to the corresponding position of the tab stop to align the text. Click Home tab to open the tab setting box. Here you can set the position of tab, modify the alignment of tab stops, and set the leader of tab stops. To clear the tab, click Clear in the dialog box. This is the end of this section. Thank you.